Hello YouTube. The topic for today is salinity indicator. Salinity is a saltness or the amount of salt dissolved in a body of water. And salinity is an important factor in determining physical characteristics like the density and heat capacity of the water. In common, it also determines whether the water is fit for human use or not. And this is the picture of a salinity meter. The salinity indicator or the salinometer is an instrument to measure the salinity of water. It uses the property of electrical conductivity of water or liquids. The principle is based on the electrical conductivity of water. In case of pure water, the amount of salt content is very less, but seawater on the other hand contains lots of impurities such as sodium chloride, magnesium chloride, etc. The chloride ion helps in conduction and helps these impurities increase the conductivity of water. And coming to the working part, there should be electrical supply, and the electric supply must be DC. And another point is that the pure water is non-conducting, so that current flow is an indication of impurities. That is, the greater the current, greater the impurity in water. Now this is the electrical diagram of the salinometer. We can see that there is a pilot lamp, and this is a water sampling cell, this is a potentiometer, and this is a temperature compensator, and this is the alarm. Number 1 and 2 are the two relays, and this is the ammeter. Basically it measures the current, and more current means more impurities. Basically this measures the impurities of the water of the sample. And the working is like when the impurity content in this water sampling cell exceeds a fixed value, the current is sufficient to operate relay number 2, this one, and closing the switch, and will give out alarm. And also the current will pass through this way into this millimeter ammeter, and it will show the reading. And there is a problem that when the continued operation of the current, of the increased current, will damage the sensitive millimeter. So what happens is that if the current is more, relay 1 will get activated and it will bypass this ammeter. So alarm will be working, but this ammeter won't be working since it will be bypassed. So it is for relay number 1 is for protection. And there is a temperature compensator. We know that water temperature increases conductivity, so that the temperature compensation is required. A temperature compensating device, basically a thermometer, is shunt across the meter and protects it. See, it is in parallel to this meter. And what happens in a temperature compensator is that the temperature increase causes a rise in mercury level and cutting out of resistance, which allows more current inside to the temperature compensator and less current to the ammeter, so that it doesn't damage this ammeter. And salinometer is mainly used on board in a freshwater generator and in boiler to know the amount of salt content. It will be in parts per million ppm. It will be displayed on, in case of freshwater generator, it will be displayed on the local panel, and in case of the boiler, it will be displayed on the local panel as well as the ECR.